Hello, welcome. This is sugar wax, and this video is a tutorial to make sugar wax at home. Finally made it after failing so many times. You will need sugar, lemon, water, thermometer not necessary, and 12 minutes of patience. Now for this we need half a cup of sugar. You can also use brown sugar, no problem, and 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of water. See, temperature is an important factor here, so do everything on medium flame. We want to make a perfect wax, so don't budge the temperature throughout the process. It's a temperature game, so don't think anything, do as directed. Soon it will start to boil. Also make sure you constantly stir it so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. The fun part is that you can remove hair from any part of your body with this wax. Yeah, you heard it. Any part. Only if you can tolerate, unlike me. I already have wax at home, but it requires strips. So I thought let's give it another shot, and I didn't regret it. In these 10 to 12 minutes, you need to have core focus. Don't go anywhere, keep an eye on this and keep stirring. You can buy this thermometer online as well. I bought it from a local store, but I would suggest don't buy it online, it's expensive. When it reaches to 230 Fahrenheit, then you're going to stir it for a few more seconds. Do you see that slight yellow color? That's how we want it. Don't wait till it gets darker, otherwise it's going to be really hard and you'll end up eating it. Don't let your intrusive thoughts win and just switch it off. There you go. This is exactly how we want it. Not too light, not too dark, just like honey. Now transfer it in a glass container or a mug. Pour water in that vessel ASAP and save yourself from your mom. Now cool it, but not completely. It should be little warm for it to form a ball and manageable enough to strip off the hair. You should be able to play with it and stretch it. You know how to wax? No? I'll tell you. Apply that wax ball against your hair growth by putting pressure on your fingertips. Go just like that 2 to 3 times and just pull it off. Yes. Ouch, that really hurt. It's not as painful as strips because a strip may you strip it off, you strip off your hair and then it pains a lot. And isme, when you strip off your hair, then you go back again to strip off more hair. So that's why, because of the finger movements and everything, it's not really that as painful as strips. Do you see that? I love this wax. I know because of my shitty camera, you can barely see my hair, but I'll show you the difference later. And you'll be shocked. I genuinely made it to wax my underarms, but showing it on my legs for demonstration purpose. You will use that same wax until it's full of hair. It was so simple, right? Also, it's so natural. I love homemade DIYs like these. Immediately take a shower or rinse that area. If your skin is sensitive, that you might get little bumps on it, but it's really normal. Basically, after any kind of hair removal, you need to take care of that area. Moisturize it, do whatever you want to. Hair removal के बाद कितना तामझाम होता है. But we do it anyway because it's iconic. And we love to do iconic shit. What do you prefer, waxing or shaving? I personally prefer waxing because you can be hair free for a long time. And legit, I have seen dead skin cells coming off because of waxing. Try it and let me know. Thank me later. Bye.